how hard that is. Whoa! You got a little shovel? I am. Once we get through that plow ridge, it'll be good. There you go. Did you do that in low? Yeah. You broke the trail. It's all good. We're up in Barney's River today, seeing what trouble we can get ourselves into here. We don't really know what to expect from these trails. We haven't been out in 2 weeks. Last week we were planning on going over and put up on Instagram and that we were going to have a new video out, but I got sick and it was minus 26, so we decided not to go, but we're out today. Andrew's in the lead today. I'm going to put on a little show there. It's not. Oh yeah. I was just gonna say, not that bad. Yeah, like this isn't a snowmobile park trail, right? Because I don't want to be driving on their drone trails. Okay, so we're not going to get shit. I'm getting stuck here, Andrew. Went off the trail. There we go. Yeah. Well, if they're common trails and there's skidoors going on them, we should be able to crawl our way through. Just good to get out. I just go off this trail a little bit and I just sink just like that. I just did that. Yeah. And it kind of pulls you in sometimes. What is it today? It's about minus 10 right now. Yeah. I'm just making sure here, when this screen goes dark, you're still recording, right? Yeah, there's a little red light flashing there. I just knew getting this camera, folks. I just bought a camera. Gonna get used to it, see what's what. Did a bunch of YouTubing on different settings and things. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah, big shout out to John BTV. I didn't think. Yeah. Yeah. All we got to get now is mics so they can hear us talking back and forth, because we're only going to get one side of the speak. Whoa. Looks like you might be stuck, bro. Oh. Good thing I hit it reverse. Yeah, you're getting buried. Keep going back. If you keep coming back towards me, you should be able to get a good run off. There you go, Paul. Want me to pull you out? Might as well save some time. Yeah, you just get very good. Here, just stop there and I'll hook off that, right? You ain't going nowhere, bro. Go slow, Andrew, so we don't get hung up every 5 minutes. Yeah, we ain't going up the power line. There's nobody up there. No trail. Oh yeah. We gotta go up the power line, don't we? To get onto the main trail. Okay, you want to do that? Go right by the power pole there. Should be, looks a little left now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah. still going? Again, he is. Well, I had to get off my bike, come all the way down, stuck again. What tree are you hooking onto here? Oh yeah. Yeah, I did the same thing. Pull a little bit out. Stop it, pull some more out. There, that's the end. Well. Oh. Okay. You want to go on this tree here?
Whatever tree we can reach, let's go and try and get back on the top. I was here. I made it here.
And then you backed up.
And then I started backing up, trying to get back up, but I couldn't get that track to get back.
Almost to the top. And I just slid off the trail some. And that was it. Game over. You're what? Oh. Just keep coming and then I'll take it off.
He's probably on hook there now. I think he's digging into the side of my barrel. He's a whole stump on the other side. Oh, lose my ribbon.
Huh?
So I want the ribbon on the end.
Oh.